As we marvel at forests and meadows, we rarely consider the world hidden below. Beneath our feet lies a bustling metropolis of roots, a vast, living network that supports all life above. This underground kingdom is a place of connection and cooperation, essential for nearly every plant on Earth. Imagine a city, but instead of roads and buildings, there are roots and fungal threads stretching in every direction. These roots anchor trees, feed flowers, and intertwine to form a living mat beneath the forest floor. The scale is staggering. A single tree's roots can spread for hundreds of square meters, connecting with its neighbors. Here, water is drawn, minerals are mined, and the foundation for all above-ground life is built. This is not just a collection of plants, but a deeply interconnected community. Next time you stand in a green space, remember, beneath the grass and leaves, a secret world teems with life. This hidden kingdom is nature's masterpiece, reminding us that the most vital things are often unseen. By exploring this world, we begin to understand the profound connections that bind all living things. The story of life starts in the darkness below. Roots are the architects of the underground city. When a seed germinates, it sends down a pioneering root, the first street in a sprawling metropolis. Root tips navigate soil, seeking water and nutrients, branching out to form a dense, efficient network. Some plants grow deep taproots, anchoring themselves and reaching hidden water. Others, like grasses, create fibrous mats just below the surface, perfect for capturing rain and holding soil together. Each plant builds the root system best suited to its needs and environment. In a handful of healthy soil, you'll find kilometers of these tiny root threads, all working together. The root city is always expanding. Old roots die, new ones grow, ensuring a steady supply of resources. This relentless, silent work powers the green world above. Roots are constantly searching, absorbing, and renewing. Their tireless efforts make life possible for the entire ecosystem. The underground city is a marvel of natural engineering. It's a city in perpetual motion, always growing, always supporting life. Roots don't work alone. They have ancient allies, fungi. The real body of a fungus is a hidden network of mycelium, fine threads weaving through the soil. This mycelial web acts as a biological internet, connecting plants across the forest floor. In a teaspoon of healthy soil, there can be miles of these threads. Fungi are master chemists, unlocking nutrients roots can't reach and delivering them to plants. In return, fungi receive food from their plant partners. Without these fungal connectors, plants would be isolated, forced to fend for themselves. The mycelial network transforms individuals into a true community. Fungi are the silent weavers, stitching the living world together from below. The partnership between roots and fungi is called mycorrhizal symbiosis, fungus root. It's a mutual relationship. Plants provide sugary food from photosynthesis. Fungi deliver water and minerals. This ancient alliance allowed plants to colonize land millions of years ago. Fungi connect directly to plant roots, making the root system vastly more effective. Over 90% of plant species rely on these partnerships. From towering trees to tiny grasses, most plants depend on their fungal allies to thrive. The mycorrhizal network is the foundation of the underground city. It's a perfect example of nature's power through cooperation, not competition. This partnership is the heart of the ecosystem. Together, plants and fungi achieve what neither could alone. The underground city flourishes because of this ancient pact. The mycorrhizal network is a bustling marketplace, not just a simple partnership. A single fungal network can connect many plants, even different species, creating a shared infrastructure for trade. Resources move from where they're plentiful to where they're needed, balancing the ecosystem. Mature mother trees can send excess sugar to struggling seedlings through the network, giving them a vital head start. Plants also trade nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, water, across the network, making the whole forest more resilient. This underground exchange is a sophisticated system of redistribution. Plants are savvy traders, rewarding fungi that deliver valuable nutrients with more sugar. If a fungus doesn't deliver, the plant reduces its payment. The root city is a marketplace where good partners are rewarded and the community thrives. This constant, silent negotiation keeps the system fair and efficient. The underground economy is vital for the health of the entire ecosystem. Cooperation and trade make the root city strong. The underground network is also a communication system. Plants use the mycelium to send chemical messages, warnings, updates, and even help requests. If a plant is attacked by insects, it sends distress signals through the network to its neighbors. Nearby plants receive the warning and prepare their defenses before danger arrives. Plants also share information about drought or environmental stress, prompting neighbors to conserve water. Some can even recognize their own relatives, sending more resources and signals to kin. These chemical whispers reveal plants as active, social beings, not passive or solitary. The root city is alive with conversation, shaping the health of the forest above. Communication makes the underground community resilient and adaptive. The soil is a place of constant dialogue. The hidden world beneath us is always talking. The root city's partnerships are visible in nature's most fascinating relationships. Orchid seeds, tiny and foodless, survive by plugging into the fungal network, drawing nourishment from the community until they can photosynthesize. In North American forests, birch and Douglas fir trees trade sugar through the fungal web, each helping the other through seasonal changes. Some plants act as hubs, mother trees, nurturing seedlings and connecting hundreds of neighbors. When these hubs are lost, the entire network weakens. Even in gardens, beans and peas partner with bacteria to fix nitrogen, enriching the soil for future plants. These friendships show the root city is a place of profound cooperation. The survival of one often depends on the support of many. Nature's underground alliances are essential for thriving ecosystems. The root city is built on trust, sharing, and mutual benefit. Every plant, fungus, and microbe plays a role. The web of life is strongest where connections run deepest. The forest's friendships are its greatest strength. The health of the root city shapes the world above. Thriving underground networks mean resilient forests, rich soils, and a healthier planet. Roots and fungi bind soil, prevent erosion, and create the structure needed for life. Fungal networks produce glomalin, a biological glue that holds soil together. Healthy soils store carbon, helping fight climate change. The crops we depend on need robust root and fungal networks for growth and resilience. Damaged soils and broken networks lead to weaker plants and lower yields. Sustainable agriculture depends on supporting life in the soil. Protecting the underground city is essential for food security and climate stability. The fate of our world above is tied to the city of roots below. By caring for the hidden world, we secure our own future. The root city is the foundation of life on Earth. The root city is powerful but fragile. Modern activities, deforestation, intensive farming, chemicals can destroy these delicate networks. When the underground city is damaged, the world above suffers. We must see ourselves as guardians of the hidden world. Supporting diverse plantings, reducing chemicals, and protecting forests help the underground community thrive. Reforestation must rebuild not just trees, but the connections below. The root city teaches us that life is about collaboration, not just competition. The most important work is often unseen. By respecting this underground world, we become better stewards of our planet. Let's walk gently, protecting the beautiful kingdom beneath our feet.